In this video we take an honest look at Cypher Wallet to see whether it's a reliable multi-chain option or a platform to approach cautiously. Cypher promotes itself as a convenient wallet supporting multiple blockchains with features like swaps, bridging, NFTs, and an integrated spending card, and many users say the interface is clean and easy to navigate. But public feedback also raises real concerns. Some users report technical issues after updates, including missing tokens even after restoring with a seed phrase, which raises questions about reliability. Others mention crashes, malfunctioning swap features, or problems displaying recovery phrases, all of which are serious red flags for any wallet handling live crypto assets. There are also reports that certain tokens tied to the ecosystem lack transparency or liquidity, making any rewards or bonus claims risky. Security researchers have even flagged related projects using the Cypher name as potential scams designed to lure users into approvals that drain funds. Taken together, Cypher Wallet may offer convenience, but the mix of instability and trust concerns makes it a high-risk option that's not ideal for storing significant amounts. Keep funds small, stay cautious, and always verify tokens if you decide to use it. Subscribe for more straightforward and honest crypto app reviews.